Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nova. If you're a return subscriber, hey girl, hey, and if you're new, welcome to the Nova game. As y'all can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be coming to you all again with another hair install / review. And I do not know how to pronounce the name of this company, but it will be on the screen. They sent your girl this lovely unit here, which I already plucked the knot, plucked the wig and bleached the knots. So I'm not going to be doing a talk through. I'm just gonna let y'all groove to the music. I might pop in, but I just want to go ahead and show y'all this install, and after we'll do the initial review on how the hair feels, if there was any shedding, you know, the regular schmegler. So if you are a company that would like to work with me, my contact information will be in the description down below. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please make sure that y'all go ahead and subscribe, because why not? Subscribe and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. Yeah, so this is what I have so far, and I'm not gonna lie, don't use this. Like, don't use this. This is what it done did. Oh my god, it's so embarrassing. It's like stiff. Like, this is this type of stiff that bitches used to have with their ponytails. Like, they used to walk around like this, and I just be like, girl, like, it looks like I got a damn headband wig on. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see. Okay, all right. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. I thought it was gonna turn out bad. I thought this shit was gonna turn out bad. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Yeah, y'all, it doesn't make it better that I can't style this. Like, if I could just have this be flat, that would be perfect. But it's not even trying to do that. It's trying to like sit up. So, as far as edges, let's go ahead and curve it. Y'all know the drill. What if I fuck up? I don't know how the girlies do it. Like, I'd be okay with just like edges right here, but as far as like the ones that go like right there, it like scares the shit out of me. I ain't gonna lie, I really could have did like a style on this, but I don't really style my units. Like, how would I have styled it? Like, I don't know. Or like an updo or something. So let's see what I got in my mind it's gonna execute. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I might pull out like how them girls had it in the 90s. I just feel like now I have to kind of like curl this a little bit.
I didn't get to mention the end review, but based off my reaction, which I will see, I absolutely love this hair. It was very full and it was an HD lace as well. I did not specify that in the video directly, but the lace melted so perfectly. And if you are interested in this wig, it will be in the description down below as well. And I'm gonna see if I can like snag a discount code or something. But yeah, y'all, this hair ate down. What's 4 + 4?
All right, y'all. This is what I get. This is what I get. This is what I get. Let me even squeeze this right here too, because teasing used to be a big thing in the 90s. Like, that's how all the girls got when their hair was thin. They had like volume and body and stuff like that. That's how you do it. It doesn't mess up your hair, but you have to kind of know how to do it. And yeah, that's what I got. This is what I got. I'm looking like somebody's auntie. Like, and the lace eats. Like, I didn't even put any like additional makeup on it. Jump to the truck. I was like, what? Ain't that hell got no boom in the butt? That's how I feel when I'm. That's the song that's playing in my head. With the thong. But yes, y'all, this is what I got. I don't want to do nothing else to it. He said it looks good. Son keeps staring at me, so clearly it's something that looks good. And yeah, makeup eats. Bust down. Yeah, who know that me messing with this right here was gonna give me a nice little style. I said, what was stiff back in the day? Weaves. That. Cue the music. I ain't gonna lie. This I need to go somebody freak me. Like, time machine me, please. Like, I wish I had a time machine. Bring me back, because y'all, with the gold hoops, you can't tell me nothing. And the baby hairs is not even that bad either. Like, let me see if I can fluff them out. No. Ooh, fluffy baby hairs. Fluffy. Yeah. Yeah. You said what? Just trying to comb out my baby hairs so they're fluffier. And they're not, you know. Yes, go. If you're a company that wants to sponsor me, get into it. Book the look. Book the look, honey. Book the look. Because this is eating down. This eats down, honey. Yeah. Yeah, y'all. That's that. Oh, I see a little piece right here. Just gonna bring, you know, some curled pieces to the front a little bit. So y'all, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a hair company, like I said for the third time, if y'all want to work with me, make sure y'all go ahead and contact me at the email that is in the description down below. And if y'all like this hairstyle, let me know, because I ain't gonna lie, if I can execute it just like this, just off like thought, then yeah. In the cut with my twin reading Bible. So yes, y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning into this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.